I'm Saurabh. As you know, I'm your computer teacher, and now today we are going to discuss MS Word. Okay? But before that, I would like to say that we have to be very careful about the corona. We all know whole world is getting locked down with the corona effect. Yeah? So we need to stay at home and be safe so that in the coming days we can be fit for the next purpose. So we are starting our classes with MS Word. Today's topic is MS Word. What is the use of MS Word? Why do we study MS Word? MS Word is a software given by the Microsoft. Okay, and this software is used to edit our document, to make document, prepare document like Word document. Fine. Whatever we need to write, we prepare that our Word document in MS Word. So from where we get the software? We get the software from Microsoft, because this software is developed by Microsoft itself. Okay, and so from market you buy this software, and you do a setup of this software in your system, and it will store in your programs. You will find the shortcut of this software: start all programs, MS Office, then MS Word. I am writing the steps from where you will get the software. So for the start of this question, we start our class with this question. Write the steps. Write the steps to open MS Word. MS Word means, how will we open MS Word? We need to write all these steps. Okay. So first we click to open MS Word. To open MS Word, we click on Start all programs. MS Office, then MS Word. I know I've already taught it in the classroom, because from class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even in class 6, the same topic is there. That's why, and I have already taught you, but still we need to refresh our memories. Okay. So to open the MS Word, we click on Start, then All Programs, then MS Office, then and there we will find Microsoft Word, MS Word. Fine. Again, I'm saying that we use this software to edit our work, to prepare a Word document. Okay. Wherever we need to require, such that we need to write a letter, we can prepare it in MS Word. We need to prepare documents like from the newspaper, that we can prepare it in MS Word. Okay. Fine. So our next step is, wait, I need to rub. So now we will find few shortcuts in MS Word. There are many more topics in MS Word, but we will move towards shortcuts. How to use different keys to use MS Word feature. Okay. The topic will be shortcuts. Wait, I think this pen is not working. Shortcut used in MS Word. One number is to open file. Two is to print. Third one is to save. Fourth one is to close file. Fifth is to copy. So the shortcut key will be CTRL, that is Control plus O for the open file. CTRL plus P to print file. Now I am using this symbol, that is symbol of control. Control plus S to save file. Next is control plus, sorry, not control, this one little bit different. Okay, Alt plus F4. Alt key plus F4 function key, that is. Next one is copy, control plus C. Okay. Sixth one is to cut. Cut is control plus X. Fine. Many more shortcuts key are there. I will move further after reading the board. So to open, Control plus O, to print, Control plus P, save, Control plus S, close file, Alt plus F4, copy, Control plus C, cut, Control plus X. Fine, I need to rub the board. Seventh is to bold. Eight is to underline. Ninth is to undo. And the 10th is to italic. Fine. And to bold is Control plus B. To underline, Control plus U. To undo means to reverse our work, Control plus Z. And for italic, Control plus I. Fine. And okay, one more is to redo our work. To redo, Control plus Y. These are few shortcuts. We use it in practical work. Okay, after when we are with the computer system in lab, we will do all these shortcuts. So you must have to learn these shortcuts such that you can do your practicals quite easily. Fine. Okay. Now I am going to discuss few more features in MS Word, like how we insert chart, how we insert table, and many more things, how we insert symbols, how we insert formulas. These are few things we need to know in MS Word. So So our next topic is to how to insert. Write down the question. How to insert table in MS Word. Table, word art. No, first have to write table. For word art, that is little bit different. How to insert table in MS Word. MS Word. Answer is to insert table. We click on insert, then table, and next is we no only wait fine wait okay. This is a picture of table. Means what? It is a combination. This structure is formed with the combination of rows and the column. Okay. Row is the horizontal cells are can be termed as row. These are row, and the vertical cells are called column. Fine. And each box is termed as cell. Okay, this page is also not working. Okay. So this is a structure of table. What is table? Table is a combination of rows and the column. A structure in MS Word made by the combination of rows and the column. And the intersection of row and the column forms a cell. That is cell. It is a row and it is a column, and these both are intersect each other and forms a cell structure. A box that is called cell. Okay. How we insert, how from where we get this table? How can we prepare this table? We need to click on insert. We need to click on insert on the top of your menu bar. Insert, then click on table, and with the table, once we click on table, a dialog box will appear, and from there you have to insert the number of rows and the number of columns, how much you want. You have to insert from there. You have to choose from there the number of rows and this table has the one column, column 1, column 2, column 3, and the row 1, row 2, row 3. Okay. This table contains 3 column as well as 3 row. Okay. I think it is very clear to all of you the structure of the table. So that is only things you need to know on about the table. And now we move towards how will we insert picture. How will we insert picture in the MS Word? So I need to now I'm moving towards how will we insert a picture in MS Word. How will we insert symbols of pictures? Say picture. Picture in MS Word. And the process is same. Whatever we need to insert in MS Word, we go towards insert menu. To insert picture, not table, to insert picture in MS Word, we need to insert picture. We click on insert, then picture. Image, not picture, that is image. Option is image. Just hold on. मिटाते हैं इसको। हाँ, to insert a picture, we click on insert, then image, then a dialog box will appear, and from that dialog box we have to choose the picture, and the picture from the gallery of computer. Okay, it works like same as you insert a picture in your WhatsApp from your phone gallery. Okay, it's work like the same. And the same thing is for the formula, same thing is for the word art. Whatever we need to insert, we go towards the insert menu in the MS Word. This is the main shortcut thing. You need to keep it in your mind. Okay, fine. So I think today is good enough. We have done how MS Word work, shortcut keys, and how to insert tools in MS Word. And when the class is over, when school starts, I want it in your copy. Okay, you have to submit your copy and must write these questions in your copy. All these three questions, today I have discussed three questions. All these three or four questions, all four questions, it should be in your copy. Fine. Okay. So again, at the end of our today's session, I will again reminding you, be safe and stay at home because it's very necessary for all of us. Fine. Okay. So obey your parents. Don't be rude at home. Be disciplined. Fine. Have a good day.